Hey guys, now in this video let us discuss file share. So guys, first thing, consider file share as something similar to a folder we have on our Windows operating system. Okay, and that file share, it can contain the files or the blobs which we can store in a container in a storage account. So that means again that file share, that is that folder, it can contain images, PDFs, text files, exe, etc. And now here if you see the structure of Azure storage account, see this red box, it is our Azure storage account, and in that we have this container, and then in container we can have blobs. So similarly in this Azure storage account we have this file share. See guys, this blue box, and then this file share, it contains files. So again these files, they are similar to blobs only. Now if file share is similar to blob, then what is the difference? So the difference is, let's say on our local laptop we can mount that file share, and then that file share or that folder, it will be as if just another drive on our local laptop. So again that means we can mount that file share. So again that file share, it will be present on some remote server. So we can mount that file share on our local laptop, or we can mount it on multiple VMs as well. So again that file share which is present on remote server, it can be accessed from multiple VMs or multiple machines. So for example, so guys, this is my local laptop, and here you can see drive C and drive D. And now let's say there is some remote file share. So I can simply mount that remote file share on my local laptop, and then that remote file share, it will appear as if just another drive on my local laptop. And guys, before we see the demo, let's actually discuss use cases quickly. So first we can use this file share for our dev or test debugging. So let's say guys, there are developers who are working in multiple VMs, and on each of those VM they may need some tools or utilities. So guys, copying this tool or utilities on every VM is probably not feasible idea, right? So developer can mount these tools or utility in the required VM instead of copying it in each VM. So again those tools or utility, they will be present in some remote server, and as per our requirement we can simply mount it in each VM. Similarly we can use file share for diagnostics purpose as well. So for example, we can write our logs in Azure File Share, and these logs, they can be written via REST API, and then developers, they can access these logs by mounting that file share on their local machine. So again file share, it is acting as a centralized location which is accessible from multiple machines. And similarly we can use this file share for shared application settings as well. And now let's see the demo of file share. So basically we will add a file share in storage account, then we will mount this file share in our local machine. Finally we will add a few sample txt and jpg files in this file share, and guys, we will see that this mounted file share, that is this network location, it is as good as another drive on our local machine. So guys, we are in Azure and this is our storage account. Let's open that. Now on the left hand side under data storage, let's click on file shares. Let's add a new file share, and here I will say our first file share, and then I will say review plus create and create. Now guys, our file share has been successfully created, and now let's click on connect. Now guys, good thing about this file share is Azure provides us the ready-made script to connect to this file share from our local system. So for example, now I have Windows operating system on my local machine. So here I can simply specify the name of the drive which should appear when I connect to that file share. So when I connect to this file share, the drive name on my local system, it will be shown as Z. Then I can simply click on this show script, and guys, using this script I can connect to that file share from my local machine. So let's actually copy this and let's open PowerShell and let's simply paste it and let's say enter. And you see it says credential added successfully. So this file share, see this storage file share demo, it has been added successfully. And let's cross check. So let's open File Explorer and see guys, we are under this PC, and now here we can see that file share, that is our first file share. And you can see this storage file share demo, so that is the name of our storage account. Now let's open it. So let's double click on it, and yes, we are in this file share. Now let's actually copy a couple of files in this file share. So first I will copy an image. So let's copy, and now let's copy text file. And now let's cross check in Azure portal if we can see these two files in that file share. So again we are back in Azure and let's close this. And guys, can you see this browse? Let's click on that. And yes, you can see those two files.